Welcome investors to another exciting episode of PSX Power Play. Let's check the market mood. This week's market mood is cautiously optimistic. Investors का जज्बा काफी better है. After a surprise interest rate cut last week, confidence got a boost and bulls took charge, but overall market का response cautious. ही है, market participants are optimistic thanks to improving macros, soaring forex reserves, and a stable rupee. However, profit taking नजर आ रही है as year end approaches. ये थोड़ा सा reality check है to keep everyone grounded. Overall, डर से ज्यादा भरोसा. The tone is calm and confident, with a splash of friendly caution. The KSE 100 index is hovering near all-time highs. Reality check time. Last week the index even touched an intraday record 172,675 points before mild profit taking. Mashallah, new highs pe hai market. Technically, 172,600 is a key resistance level. ये वो level है जहां थोड़ा selling pressure आता है. If bulls decisively break above tilde 172.6k, it could clear the way for the next targets, 175k and beyond. On the downside, immediate support is around 170,600 tradingview.com. As long as the index stays above tilde 170k, the uptrend की reality intact है. Now, sector selection की बात. Where are the real opportunities and where to stay cautious? This week's clear verdict: go with banks, go slow on oil. Reasoning देखिए, commercial banks absolutely led the charge last week, adding जोड़ 1,818 points to the index. वाह, bankers ने तो कमाल कर दिया. The surprise rate cut actually helped banks not in the usual interest margin way, but by boosting economic outlook and bond values. United Bank, Habib Bank, even Mizan, सब अच्छा perform कर रहे हैं. Why? Investors see stability, returning foreign inflows and confidence in financial sector profitability. Meanwhile, oil or gas exploration and oil marketing companies lag, actually dragging the index by a few hundred points. Global oil prices soft हो गई है, cutting revenue expectations for E&P firms. So our sector pick, banking, strong fundamentals, benefiting from macro improvements. Our sector caution, energy, oil, short-term thandi performance due to profit-taking and lower oil. Also worth noting, technology and pharmaceutical sectors showed modest gains too, but banks remain the standout for now. Bottom line, overweight banks with confidence, and Hath Oler on oil stocks until conditions improve. टाइम फॉर द ब्लू चिप जोन. आज के प्रीमियम स्टॉक्स जो स्पॉटलाइट में है. नो हाइप, सिर्फ सॉलिड नेम्स विद सॉलिड डेटा. पिक #1, यूनाइटेड बैंक लिमिटेड, UBL, करंट प्राइस 412 पाकिस्तानी रुपीस. UBL ने पिछले हफ्ते इंडेक्स को सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट दिया, nearly जोड़ 968 points contribution. This blue chip bank is benefiting from economic tailwinds and investor trust. It's showing strength after the rate cut, indicating investors expect growth and stability ahead. Pick #2, Engro Corporation, ENGRO, trading around 485 Pakistani rupees per share. Engro is a diversified giant, fertilizer, energy, foods, and it's been on a tear. Last week Engro added about 421 points to the index. Reflecting strong earnings outlook and perhaps some big plans. ये वो high Engro है that thrives in multiple sectors. High trading volumes on Engro indicate institutions are accumulating. बड़ी fish की interest है यहाँ. Pick #3, Lucky Cement, LUC, around 500 Pakistani rupees per share. Lucky Cement is not just cement, it's an industrial powerhouse with stakes in auto and energy. It's hitting new highs, recently around 503 Pakistani rupees intraday, an all-time high, and contributed जोड़ 153 points last week. Why we like Lucky? Apart from cement demand, they're making bold moves. For example, Lucky is joining a consortium to privatize PIA, showing its aggressive growth mindset. This kind of corporate action signals confidence. Plus, Lucky's solid balance sheet and diversification make it a relatively safer bet. Avoid export-dependent sectors textiles. Unfortunately, Pakistan's latest trade data brought some thandi hawa for exporters. Overall exports fell 15% year-on-year in November, with textile exports down 3%. Ouch! This means textile companies are under earnings pressure. Until we see export orders picking up or government support coming through, kapda industry mein filhal thoda cautious rehna hai. Stocks in this sector might lag the market. Avoid chasing any short-term upticks here, because fundamentals abhi soft hai. Furthermore, be cautious in investing in oil or gas stocks. As mentioned earlier, global oil prices have been softening. Brent and WTI are down, which is good for Pakistan's import bill but not great for E&P company profits. Last week we saw exploration or production and OMC sectors actually pull the index down. Even giants like OGDC and PSO were negative contributors.
News that actually moves markets.
Building material prices hit record high. Nation astounded after chief crypto bhai turns out to be crypto bhai. Gold hit record high on USA rate cut bets. Silver join S rally to hit all-time peak. Tax to GDP ratio to stall over 5 years, IMF expects. Aur aakhir mein, time for our motivational verdict. Insight, the PSX has shown that steady confidence beats short-term fear. We're ending on a strong note. Despite volatility, the bulls have kept one foot in the door. The index is near historic highs, yet valuations are still attractive. Pakistan's market is around 8.1x earnings with a 6.5% dividend yield. Which means there's fundamental value underpinning this rally. Investors, aapke liye nugget ye hai, stay calm, stay informed, and stay focused on the bigger picture. Friend is your friend, लेकिन सिर्फ तब तक जब आप उसका एनालिसिस करते रहें. So सीखना जारी रखिए, because informed investing is profitable.